G'day, here's a good example of a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. It's got a nice band of fire in there. The rest of the stone is just little bits of opal on the parent material. This will cut quite a nice big stone here. Bands of pink, greens, blues. Like I say, there's not much else in it. These are just pieces, I think. I'll call it potch. Whether some of that goes under there, it may possibly go under there, but I'm not guaranteeing it. I can't see under there to tell you. Maybe that might clean off to be a little eye, but I think basically you're looking at buying that as a pendant stone. Quite a nice big piece, 30mm long. It's over 1.5 inches, I think. Looks got a lot of potential, this piece. Doesn't look like there's any visible cracks. There's a little bit of a mark there, I think, which will clean out. Down here, a couple of chips, but I think that's where your stone finishes across here anyway. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.